Hi friends, here's a story called The Flower Garden. Let's find out what goes on in the story. It's just a shopping cart. That gives us a clue. Garden in a shopping cart. Doesn't it look great? Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Garden on the checkout stand. I can hardly wait. So they're at the store and they picked up some flowers. Garden in a cardboard box, waiting for the bus. Garden sitting on our laps. People smile at us. I think flowers and plants make everybody smile because they're so pretty. Garden growing up the stairs, stopping at each floor. This garden's getting heavy. At last, our front door. Hurry, hurry, get the trowel, spread the papers thick, get the bag of potting soil, get the planting mix. Look at that, they're taking it out of the containers and putting it into the planter. That looks like a lot of fun. Put purple pansies at each end, daisies white as snow, daffodils, geraniums, and tulips in a row. Garden in the window box, high above the street, where butterflies can stop and rest, and ladybugs can meet. Look at that, there's a ladybug on her finger. Walkers walking down below will lift their heads and see purple, yellow, red, and white, a color jamboree. Look at that, it's making everybody smile. Oh, who's coming? Who is she looking at? Could it be this lady over here? Let's find out. Candles on a birthday cake, chocolate ice cream too. There's that lady. Happy, happy birthday, Mom. A garden box for you. There she is. She looks so happy. And they all enjoy that. And the cake and ice cream, too. How fun. Now, friends, you're going to get some paper, yellow, black, and green. And you're going to make a flower from that. So I'm sending home patterns to make this flower. Here's a daisy pattern if you would like to make a daisy, and the stem and the leaves. So in here in this packet you will find the center pattern that you can cut out and trace it on whatever color paper you'd like and cut that out. And here's for the leaves. You can cut them out. You can also use these and trace them. Instead of tracing them, you can just color these and cut them out and make your flower from these. Here's for the petals. And there's enough to make a whole flower if you'd like to do it on here, but you can cut them out, trace them on your paper, and make a flower that way. So there's two different ways to do this. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.